In my world, everyone's connected and they all have access to technology and are digitally literate.
That's beautiful, Katie.
Keme lang. Pero sana nga ganoon, ano? As a Gen Z raised and living in a highly urbanized city, swerte pa ako. Kasi I grew up surrounded by smartphones, fast internet, and all the ICT tools I need for school, communication, and life. Pero alam nyo, I realized that not all people have the same privilege. In MMS 130 Unit 3, I've read and learned about the ICT 4D initiatives across Asian countries, e-learning systems, online banking and finance, telemedicine, and telecommunication programs. With ICT manifesting in the educational, economic, health, and political sectors and institutions, nakakamangha kasi it shows how powerful it can be when given actual support for development by the government. But oh well, reality check, may digital divide pa rin. At madalas, may missing link. Minsan may internet tower nga, pero hindi rin nagagamit kasi walang systems o training. May gadgets nga, pero wala naman ang internet connection. O may connection nga, pero wala namang digital literacy. Kaya naman, as Gen Z, it should be our duty to address these matters. For only by then can we truly realize the essence of ICT 4D. I hope for a future where everyone, hindi lang yung nakakaangat o may pera at nasa syudad, kundi pati ang mga nasa laylayan, rural at underserved communities could have the privilege of being connected, accessing freely and engaging sensibly. In the digital world, sana walang mapag-iwanan. Because ICT is an opportunity deserved by everyone.